What's up, YouTube? Okay, we're going to the beach today, but first we're stopping at Dollarama because we need snacks.
All the time.
do your planning again,
Guys.
My what?
Okay, hear me out.
Her logic.
If we go to the beach and it's cold, we play volleyball to warm up and then we go in the water. But if we get there and it's already warm, we still play volleyball first. Because once you go in the ocean, you come back on land, you're gonna be sticky. Because the ocean is salty and you're gonna be sticky, you're gonna feel gross. So we're gonna play volleyball first, almost guaranteed. Capiche?
Capiche.
Awesome. Alright, it's bye for you.
Yeah.
150. Oh. 160. Guys, pose ready.
Chantelle.
2, 1. What do you want? Okay, you guys take a.
Joanna.
Next stop.
Oh, fuck.
It's beautiful.
The rock sign?
Look, it just says rock.
The rock sign? I was told to record the rock sign. Guys, we made it to the beach and I got sunscreened. I think there's still sunscreen. How much sunscreen are you putting, bro? Oh, Vera.
Me?
Yeah.
I have my eyes closed. What? Yo, Malik.
Vera looks very white over there. Joanna's like slightly white. Chantelle's fine.
I did my sunscreen before this, okay? I just like
Sorry.
What a really big
yo, I'm picking my wedgie. Is my butt?
We're going. What are we doing?
Is my butt? Is my butt out? Is my
Okay.
butt crack out? We go. I go first.
Yep, go.
You need a video?
Yeah.
It's photo.
Oh, I'll do a photo too. Are you gonna do your thing?
No, do a photo.
I'm doing photo.
I'll teach you how to do it.
I'm doing photo.
No, it's perfect.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go! 2, 1, jump!
Shut up. I can see myself in your
Are you gonna pose or?
Are you gonna pose?
Guys!
Yo, we should take a photo and try to send this.
That'd be cool.
That'd be really cool, actually.
Right? Is that good enough?
Your storage is dead. Yeah, it's okay.
What are you doing? Joanna, what you doing?
Is this a video? Oh, where am I? Oh, there am I.
Alright, gang. See, look at this beautiful velvet red liquid. Totally not blood.
Oh, yeah. I think.
Okay, let's go.
13.
I haven't been filming.
For
Joanna.
a little cup, and it's not worth it. Oh my god, okay, never mind.
Oh, this is so perfect. Wait. Pose? Wait. Yeah, you too. Pose. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. It's also a video, by the way.
What the?
Oh!
Okay, let me call my mom.
Can we say hi?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Wait,
Wait,
guys.
but she kind of hates everyone. Let me say hi to her first, see how her mood is, and if she starts yelling, don't say anything.
Oh, damn.
Joanna, what are we doing?
No. My friends are heading to the SkyTrain station so we can pass by Chantelle's house, drop her little sister off along with her bags, and then Elizabeth, Vera, me, and Chantelle are gonna go to Bigway in US. And Jade's leaving us. US? Or other people.
It's my mother. Wait, you're on the SkyTrain? What did I just do?
Alright, so if you weren't aware, Jade, person behind the camera, let's pan to her for a second.
Jade.
She's the most extroverted person I think everyone knows.
Yes, we know.
So as we were minding our business, we were suddenly not minding our business, and
We saw a guy with the Twizzler box.
saw a guy with the Twizzler box actually sitting over there.
Shout out to the Twizzler guy.
Shout out to him. We low-key thought it was groceries, but Jay, being the goat she is, manned up and asked if
So we could get Tums.
and this is the
This is all free. We got 4.
Ask Grandma Strangers if they want to.
Yeah. Should we?
I'll do that one walk.
Yum. How do you feel?
mid. I actually not a fan of Twizzlers.
I feel twizzed up. Twizzler up.
That was 2.
Okay.
Across for